As promised in the last video, today I am going to make an Ambarella chutney. Here you can see the ingredients we need. First let's peel Ambarella and wash them. Then we can cut all of them into pieces and remove seeds. Now let's keep a clay pot on the stove and add sugar into it. Add water to the level until all sugar is covered and then heat it. When sugar heats up to this level, we can add chopped ginger, chopped garlic, cinnamon, cloves and cardamom. Now we can add vinegar. If you don't like vinegar, you can make this chutney without adding it. After that, add Ambarella pieces into this, mix thoroughly and keep it closed until they boil. When Ambarella boils, it changes color a bit like this. Now let's add roasted chili powder, normal chili powder and salt into this. Give it a good mix, again cover and cook under medium heat. We need to cook this while stirring time to time until mixture gets thicker. Meanwhile, we can sterilize the bottles. I showed you how to sterilize bottles correctly while I am making the mango jam recipe. You can watch it through the above link. Now our chutney is ready. Get it out of the stove and let it cool down a bit. We don't need to wait until it cools down completely. After that, we can put this chutney into prepared bottles. When we make this kind of chutney, we can keep it for few weeks and eat. If you like my videos, give me a little support on Patreon. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel and ring the bell. See you soon with a new video.